Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Macroland is using expansionary fiscal policy, and we need to find how the price level change impacts their currency in the foreign exchange market quickly. First, expansionary fiscal policy increases aggregate demand, which pushes the domestic price level higher. This makes Macroland's goods more expensive for everyone else in the global market to buy right now. Because domestic goods are now pricier, foreign consumers will naturally want to buy fewer exports from Macroland. This shift directly reduces the international need for Macroland's specific currency for trade. Consequently, the demand for Macroland's currency will decrease, resulting in a depreciation. This makes option C the only correct choice for us to pick today.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and check steps to trust the given economic data.